Good evening, guys. Back for the electrical again. So I've promised you guys, I'm gonna show you how I install electric oven. You know, so didn't get the time to video it because my phone was lack of space. So I just purchased a memory chip just for that, to do some recording and so forth. So I just get the memory chip in my hands. So just gonna do a picture, and then after this I'm gonna do the actual recording when I can, because sometimes it's just only me, or other guys are working and so forth. So sometimes I'm just only me there recording. So with this installation, it was pre-wired by me before. So I just pull the wire from the panel um during the plug wire. When I was pulling the wires for the GFCI plugs on the counters and so forth. So this was a pretty simple one. So if you notice, you have four different wires. So this oven use 220 and 110 and a ground. You understand? So you can have a ground, two live and a neutral. You understand? So in this case, you would have a green, a white, a black and a red. You understand? So the green will go to your ground, white for your neutral, black for your line 1, and red for your line 2. You understand? And back in the breaker panel, you would connect the green on the ground bus bar, and the black, because I run I black in the panel are black, so I just run the black for neutral, so that connect to the neutral bar in the breaker panel. And the red is going to the double throw breaker on line 1, and the blue is going to go to the next side of the double throw breaker on line 2. So in that case, the stove will receive both 110 and 220. Understand? So just a little quick video of how I install um the um the oven, the electric oven. Feel free to like, subscribe and share for more content. And I don't install the stove to the stove top as yet, but I'm gonna show you next video on how I install some polycrystalline 265-watt panels. In total I install, I think, about 8 panel, and I have a next rack to install. So I'll also show you a quick look overview of that.